Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my new camera, and I've been needing a new camera for a very long time, so I was really happy to get this. There definitely are some pros and cons about it. I've had it for a little bit over a month, so I'll definitely be doing a review. Let me know in the comment section below if you have any questions and I'll make sure to answer it in that video. So if you want to see what came inside of the box, then just keep on watching. Here's how the camera body looks. So on one side is a speaker, and on the other side it has a flash pop-up switch, HDMI and digital terminal, and the memory card slot. And on the top has a dial and other key buttons plus the mic and flash. At the bottom is the battery slot and the tripod socket. The back has all the other key buttons and they are user friendly. This camera also has a touchscreen and it can open up 180 degrees.